असेंब्लीन हांवें एक गजाली काडलेली हिशोब काडलेलो की आमचे इकोशीम गांवांत थिंगा ओएस पार्ट ऑफ साल्वादोर मोंत आमकां इकोशीक लागता इकोशीम आनी पोंबुर्बा पंचायतीक लागता आनी थिंगा भरपूर डेव्हलपमेंट जाता म्हूण हांवें डिमांड केल्लो ते फ्रीज कर म्हूण थिंगा नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप्सान ते नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन म्हूण करपाक आनी मागीर काजू कांय मेळ्ळो ना. आतां थोडे दीस फाटीं हांवें पळयलें की कोण एक एप्लिकेशन काडलें थिंगा सेम सालोयचे आनी सेम एक नंबर एक सर्वे नंबर हांवें पळयलो थिंगा ते नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन आहा तो नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप्स as per the request notified in the gazette it is to make it no development slope. Now see, this is a very funny part of it. Any recommendation of the town planning department is to keep it as no development slopes except what is settlement. See, I am not going to say what is settlement should be changed and frozen, but I found this request very strange. It is strange. Asa जाल्यार आमचो सेम धरून सोदता जाल्यार रिक्वेस्ट what request I made. I specifically request kelle that survey number 27, 290, 291, 292, 296 and 270 of Salvador Domun कित्याक ते आमकां लागता for ecoshing should be frozen and no development should be permitted in these areas where there is a no development slope. कित्याक there is एक application कोत्ता zone change मागता मागीर आमी चिंतात बारीक बारीक रिक्वेस्ट आमकां स्कॅन कॉपी पासून धाडटा. So this was the thing. It is actually a victory for the people. I am not a real estate lobbyist. I am not into real estate, and I am also not into promoting real estate. And I don't believe Aswada Munta eco-sensitive zone should not be touched. Like orchard, no development slopes, Kazan lands should not be touched. I assembling pasan म्हणलोले परत जमीन आहा ते सगळे पायलो मनीस हे तरी मागीर एप्लिकेशन केला झोन चेंज करपाक. That is what I have proposed. So I want to say this, that I am happy with this, but we should not stop with this. We need to make sure that these backdoor manipulations and change of zones which will affect topography, demography and our environment should not be allowed, because what will remain of Goa if we allow this?
So finally you succeeded in what you wanted.
In Aldana constituency where zone change has been asked, like in some places I say 2 lakh 3 lakh square meter markets, so we don't have that kind of a situation. But for us, even 2,000 square meters is a big plot of land. Understand?
One more thing, so that means at least Minister Rani accepted your thing then?
Yes, the government has accepted, and Vishwajit Rani has accepted that. We'll put it up to the board, that I want to tell you, because board has a decision person in Gaila Maka, and the board decision was also taken that it should not be allowed to be changed.
सर दुसरो इशू फोंड्याचे बाय आता फुडलें कितें तुमचे स्टेप आसताले तुमी कितें पिटिशन बी दाखल करताना
आतां हांव हायकोर्टान गेलो तेन्ना हांव उपरांत सुप्रीम कोर्ट. माय रिजन इज दिस: Punjab and Haryana High Court says that section is not mandatory not to hold an election. To hold an election within by-election within 6 months is mandatory, but not the opposite. This was my argument. Karnataka High Court also gives the same view, that not mandatory. Guwahati High Court also said not mandatory. Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench, had said it's mandatory and cancelled. That was followed by another bench, and this became, Goa became the third decision. We will say propriety, judicial propriety che, they follow kottat. So you follow what is given by your own High Court. But in judicial discipline te asa. But you also have cases where one division bench of the same High Court may disagree, and that was within their prerogative. Of course, it's the prerogative of the judges to agree or not to agree. So if they agree, they say we follow it. If they disagree, it has to be referred to a larger bench. Now, as for divergent opinion of various high courts, then I think it's a fit matter for the Supreme Court to examine this, because this matter should be laid to rest once and for all. It's not whether I'm right or I'm wrong, but the question is what is the law? There should be separation.
What do you expect? What do you feel that the outcome could be? When you say so many positive things like this.
See, without knowing judgments, on a bare interpretation of the section 151A, I was of the view that reading it ordinarily, it could not be cancelled.
So there are still chances?
So I believe there are chances. Even Supreme Court could, see, Supreme Court is supreme finally, and Supreme Court can direct you continue the process or maybe restart the process. You understand?
One more thing is that today there's a big news of AAP MLA is joining, AAP MP is joining BJP, especially as far as Rajya Sabha is concerned, Raghav Chadha. What is your say?
See, I'll tell you one thing. When Aam Aadmi Party was first created, there was a very big hype. There was a very big expectations, and they looked to be the alternative which was going to give a very clean governance. I never viewed it that. I always looked at Aam Aadmi Party as this way. Remember, Delhi election Congress used to win, BJP used to win. BJP used to win, Congress used to win. It was like a seesaw. It was discovered that Congress is ruling and not possible to dislodge Congress. So, a third front was created to take away the anti-Congress, anti-BJP votes and park it there. And that idea succeeded. And I would make this allegation that they were the B team of the BJP. Because their attack was Congress, their attack was no one else. So they parked their votes there. And it was like an Osama bin Laden. America created Osama bin Laden and he went and attacked them. So BJP created Kejriwal and Kejriwal attacked them. Then that honeymoon ended. And when the honeymoon ended, they went after him.
After 9 MPs.
Rao, 1 minute coming to this. Wherever Aam Aadmi Party has been putting their candidates, it has defeated the chances of the Congress. Aam Aadmi Party even went to ensure that we don't have an alliance. They walked out of the India alliance. And in the process, they allowed BJP to win and come back. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. And you knowing this, you knowing the entire arithmetic, mathematics and politics, what would we feel when Haryana was coming into our hands, when Gujarat was coming in our hands? You still wanted to put candidates to make sure that we lose, don't come into a tie-up. And finally you suffer defeat even in Delhi elections. So this was a lesson. And you slept with the enemy. And now your own people have gone with the enemy. Why have they not come and joined the Congress? It was very clear that when Aam Aadmi Party withdrew the security for Raghav Chadha, see the speed in which MHA gave security to Raghav Chadha. It was a very clear indication that everything had been set and fixed. And he was only waiting to walk over. And I don't want to make comments about anybody personal, but I feel the manner in which things have been run as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, that this is my personal view, that I think it is what started off with great hopes, great expectations, I think has fizzled out. Because if you look at some of the elements who were there initially for the purpose of forming Aam Aadmi Party, were them people coming from RSS background, from these kind of backgrounds which were aligned to the BJP.
काही ते तुमच्या वागडाही असेल त्यांना तुमचा बी टीम असं बी दिसून किंवा तुम्ही सेंटरला किती तुमच्या मित्रांना
सो एक जाता लोक आमचे गोंयक आसा स्पेशली बी टीम केन्ना जाला पयलीं आशिल्ले तेन्ना फॉर्मेशन जालें तेन्ना ते आमकां आशिल्ले कित्याक BJP पासून तेजे विरोध आशिल्ले. You understand? Though it might have been formed on that perception and even with the background, but still, you see, it's in your blood, and the blood cannot be changed.
आम आदमी पार्टी फुटता, त्याच्यानंतर NCP फुटता, त्याच्यानंतर हे सगळे वेगवेगळे पक्ष जेन्ना फुटता तेन्ना काँग्रेस कांय कन्क्लुजनां काडटा. पूण ताजेर जेन्ना काँग्रेसीक कितें फायदो जाता, काँग्रेस खंय तरी हितूनसून बोध घेता कितें की बाबा आमकां कितें फायदो जाता आनी आमी कशें पावरान येतले हाचेर काँग्रेस कितें तरी करता.
Sorry, Congress is a party which is a very world standing party. And that is why Congress is suffering people who keep on attacking the Congress left, right, center. BJP talks of clean politics. BJP talks of politics of a, you remember to me, was talking of a change. That a party with a difference. If BJP is taking people from other political parties, if BJP is breaking people from parties whom they attacked, what difference is this BJP? Congress will reinvigorate. Congress will revive. Congress is an age-old party. It's not me and somebody here in Goa which makes a Congress. Congress is a mass movement. Congress still has base. We may not make the finishing line right now, but people still have hopes. लोक कित्याक काँग्रेसीचे रागार जाता? कित्याक people still have hopes on Congress. आतां काँग्रेसाक सोडून दिवपाचें, they won't talk of Congress.
पण तशा प्रकारचो रोड मॅप कितें तरी काँग्रेसी कडेन आसा काय कितें?
आमी बसून रोड मॅप केला, पूण आमचें पब्लिकली सांगूं जायना कित्याक आमचें कितें आहा तें मागीर डिरेलमेंट प्रोसेस स्टार्ट जाता, मागीर आमकां अटॅक करूंक बसता. देखून आमची मोदें आमी उलयलात आनी सांगलां आमी कितें चॉकआउट करतात तें पब्लिकली अनावन्स करपाचें न्ही, बिकॉज देर आर पीपल इन द ऑपोजिशन including the BJP, who will make sure that our plans are followed.
सर आता किती इलेक्शनाक फक्त 1 वर्ष उरला आणि BJP त्यांनी जी स्कीम हे केला ते सगळे त्यांचे करीत.
Because at that time, because if we do it, आमगे idea capture कर.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.